So, hi everyone. So, we have here something that you're going to translate first. So, this is translating the English to Tagalog. So, testingin nga natin yan. First is rainbow. So, what do you think is the Tagalog word for the rainbow? Very good. So, it is bahaghari. Okay, very good. How about the word blue? The word blue in Tagalog is bughaw. Okay, very good for those who got the correct answer. And how about if we have these Tagalog words and I wanted to translate it in English? Let's start first with tabo. What is tabo in English? Tabo is deeper. Okay, very good. Ito po kaya, salipawpaw. What is salipawpaw in English? Salipawpaw in English is airplane. Wow. So, why did we do this translating of Tagalog to English and English to Tagalog? Because our topic for today will also be about translating. But this is translating verbal phrases into mathematical expressions. Okay, so we need to know the words related to the different kinds of operations so that we are able to write these verbal phrases into mathematical expressions. So what are those words? First, in addition, we'll have the sum or total. For example, the sum of x and 7. So the sum of x and 7, if you're going to write this, or maybe the total of x and 7 also, that will be x plus 7. Okay? So the word and will be your keyword on where you are going to put the plus sign. Okay? Next, increased by. So increased by means this is under addition also. So we have, let's say, x increased by 7, then that is also x plus 7. If we have more than, okay, so this word, yung more than, at saka yung isa pa na added to, doon magkakaroon ng pagpapalit ng pwesto yung given sa atin. So, for example, x more than 7. So, dapat kung isusulat mo yan, kung ano yung pagkakasunod, it's x plus 7. But since we have used the word than, then we are going to change the place of these two terms. So, therefore, our answer here will be 7 plus x. And the same goes with the word or the phrase added to. So, ano po yung sa added to? X added to 7 is 7 plus x. So, yan po yung aalalahanin nyo, yung dalawang salita na yan na merong pagpapalit ng pwesto ng given. More than, added to. Okay? So, let's proceed with the subtraction. So, for the subtraction, we have the difference. So, when you say difference, it will be about subtraction. The difference of x and 7, and that will give us an answer of x minus 7. And if we have decreased by, so this is under subtraction. So x decreased by 7 is x minus 7. So there are also two words in subtraction that we need to remember if we're going to have the change in their position. And that is the less than. So if I have x less than 7, then that means we're going to change their places by having 7 minus x. Ayan, importante pong maalala nyo yan kasi mas lalo sa subtraction, mag-iiba ang magiging sagot. Okay? And also, the word subtracted from. X subtracted from 7 will be 7 minus x. Okay? Ay, minus po yan na. Sorry. Yan. Minus po yan. Ayan. Okay? So, minus po talaga yan. Ha? Next one. Multiplication. So, the word product. So, with the word product, the product of 7 and x is simply shown as 7x. So, mauuna muna yung number bago yung variable kapag ganyang product lang. Next, we have times. 7 times x is simply 7x. Twice. So, when you say twice, it will be 2 times. So, twice x will be 2x. Okay? And thrice means 3 times. So, that will give us thrice x. So, our answer will be 3x. How about for the division? For the division, quotient. So, the quotient of 7 and x is 7 over x. And the other one, the ratio of 2. So, for example, the ratio of 7 to x. So, that will be 7 over x. And how about if we have the exponents? So, square. So, the square of x is x squared, shown as this one. It's written like that. And then how about the cube? So, the cube of x, so that will be x raised to 3. Raised to, so x raised to 4, so that means it will be written like this. Okay, so do you have any questions regarding this one? And the next, let's have more examples. So medyo i-level up na natin yung mga given natin. For this, 8 added to y. So what is 8 added to y? Naalala, added to is part of your things to remember that you need to change their places. So that is y plus 8. Another one, we have here 12 decreased by 7. So our answer here will be 12 minus 7, z, sorry pala. Very good. The sum of twice x and 3. So sabi nga natin, the sum, the difference, opo, yung operation ay doon mapupunta sa ating end. Okay? So that means twice x tapos yung end 3, it will be written as 2x plus 3. Okay? How about this? Ayan, wala si Sir. Grabe na magbigay. The difference of the square of x and 5. So, square of x and then and 5. So, that is x squared minus 5. Dagdagan pa natin para mas masanay kayo. The square of y increased by 9. Ano po kaya magiging sagot niyo dyan? The square of y increased by 9. That is y squared plus 9. How about this? The cube of the product of x and y. So, naka-cube daw yung product, hindi yung isang letter lang. It should be the whole thing. So, if that will be the case, then you need to write the product inside the parentheses and the cube outside the parentheses. Since it should be the cube of the product, not a variable only. Okay, so the same goes with this one. It's the cube of the sum. So if it is the cube of the sum, then again, you need to write the sum inside the parentheses and then the cube or the exponent outside the parentheses. And that is this one. And last but not the least, the ratio of thrice x to 10. Or the ratio of, so when you say the ratio, it will be under division, thrice x, so that will be the numerator, to 10, so that will be the denominator, will have 3x over 10. Okay, so hope you learned something from this video, and thank you.